This washing machine is an automatic bottle brush washing machine, and work together with filling machine and other packaging machines for bottles. Widely used in wine, brandy, sparkling wine, soft drink, fruit juice, soy sauce and vinegar industries for cleaning up glass bottles. Especially good for medium-size or small-size enterprises. Bottle washer is mainly composed of an internal brushing machine, main part, an external brushing machine, accessory equipment, and a dip bucket. The inner brush drive two dial wheels to place the bottle and brush the inner wall of the bottle. At the same time, 5 brushes are attached to the outer wall of the bottle, and the 5 brushes are distributed on both sides of the bottle. The advantages of this type of machine are safe operation, simple maintenance, high efficiency and low labor. The bottle breakage rate is less than 0.2%. Therefore, it is an ideal equipment for beverage manufacturers and beer manufacturers. Flowchart. 1. This washing machine input bottles automatically, soaking with recycled hot alkaline liquid for 10 minutes, to remove label, dirt and stains. 2. With 27.5 kW pressure pump cycle working, alkaline water filtered with screen mesh in the circulation, to assure unobstructed flowing, separate labels, and stains. Inner spray system to assure bottle's temperature rising up gradually, and keep alkaline water inside. 3. Inner brushing, rinsing, and dripping is to assure bottle inside can be brushed with high-speed force brush. To assure good cleaning effect, twice brushings have proceeded. Keep few water inside the bottle during rinsing, and flushing with high-pressure water after brushing. Then dripping dry bottles. Product application. It is composed of bottle soaking machine, with hot line, exterior washing machine, interior washing machine. Product process. Bottle entering, bottle soaking, bottle outer brushing, bottle inner brushing, bottles come out. General information. 1. This automatic glass bottle washing machine is available for various bottles shape, such as round, square, flat and oval. 2. Its capacity is 3000 bph for 375 ml flat bottle. bph, bottles per hour. Round bottle is 6000-8000 bph. Normally will advise equipping a bottle inlet table before entering to bottle soaking. The soaking time and temperature